Mayette, creator of Jazzedge Academy, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to play blues piano. We're going to start very basic. We're going to break this down into 8 different steps, right? So you're going to be learning everything from your chords, your rhythms, how to create licks, accompaniments, and then we're going to put it all together. And the accompaniment that I just played right there, that blues head, you're going to learn that note for note, and you're going to know how to be able to play that at the end of this lesson. So let's get started. So in the key of C, we would have C dominant 7th, F dominant 7th, and G dominant 7th. Those would be the 3 chords that we would utilize for our blues. Triplet, 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 triplet. The and of 2. So that would be D ba D ba, D ba D ba, D ba D ba, D ba D ba. Right? So it sounds like this.